Alright, we're ready to exercise. Time for the real workout. Hook combo number 2. Folk throw each punch with... Okay, let's get to it. Let's pick it up a little bit. Get into your basic stance. Step back and angle your body to the right. Right hand by your chin, left hand in front of your face. Move forward and backward to the rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2, front, back, front, back. We'll move at this rhythm. Alright, twist left and hook, go. Okay, twist, hook. Not bad. Okay, twist, left hook. Keep your fist level with your shoulders. 1, 2, be sure to twist your body. Okay, twist, hook. That's right. Ready? Twist, hook. Swing your fist wide from the outside. Twist, left hook. Don't swing too far to the outside. Keep your elbow at 90 degrees. Yes. Ready? Twist, left hook. Adding straights. Ready? Straight, left hook. You look great. Ready? Breathe out when you punch. Ready? Hum, hum. Always focus on your abs. 1, 2, big motions. Ready? Straight hook. Put your body into it. Straight left hook. You look great. Ready? Right, left. In time. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2's go. Ready? 1, 2. Nice punch. Ready? Try to keep each punch separate. Ready? 1, 2. Throw the straight while your jab is coming back. Okay, don't just use your upper body. Ready? 1, 2. Awesome. From the left. 1, 2. Breathe steady. Ready? Hum, hum. Try to keep each punch separate. Rhythm. Now adding hooks. Ready? 1, 2. Hook. Big motions. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2. Hook. Breathe steady. Ready? Hook, hook, hook. Ready? 1, 2. Hook. Focus on your core. Breathe out when you punch. Ready? Try to visualize engaging your core. Ready? 1, 2. Hook. Adding 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2. Hook. 1, 2. Keep in rhythm. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. 1, 2. Hook. 1, 2. To the rhythm. 8 more. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Hook. 1, 2. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hook. 1, 2. Rhythm. 1, 2. Hook. Jab. Straight. Put your body into it. Ready? Put some power into your last punch. Ready? 1, 2. Hook. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2. Hook. 1, 2. All right, that's good. You've got the rhythm. You're halfway done. Engage your core when you punch. Make sure each punch lands in rhythm. Now we'll switch. Right foot forward, left foot back. Right hand in front. Do it in rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2, front, back, front, back. All right. Twist right and hook. Here we go. Okay, twist, hook. Perfect. Okay, twist, right hook. Keep your fist level with your shoulders. 1, 2. Be sure to twist your body. Okay, twist, hook. That's right. Ready? Twist, hook. Swing your fist wide from the outside. Twist, right hook. Don't swing too far to the outside. Keep your elbow at 90 degrees. Yes. Ready? Twist, right hook. Adding straights. Ready? Straight, right hook. You're doing it. Ready? Breathe out when you punch. Ready? Hum, hum. Always focus on your abs. 1, 2. Big motions. Ready? Straight hook. Put your body into it. Straight, right hook. You look great. Ready? Left, right. In time. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2's 1, 2, hook. Big motions. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, hook. Be steady. Ready? Hook, hook, bump. Ready? 1, 2, hook. Focus on your core. Breathe out when you punch. Ready? Try to visualize engaging your core. Ready? 1, 2, hook. Adding 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, hook. 1, 2. Keep in rhythm. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, 1, 2, hook. 1, 2. To the rhythm. 8 more, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, hook. 1, 2. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hook. 1, 2. Rhythm. 1, 2, hook. Jab, straight. Put your body into it. Ready? Put some power into your last punch. Ready? 1, 2, hook. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2, hook. 1, 2. All right, that's good. Good job. You ruled at that one exercise. It was pick. I want to see your score. Oh, fantastic! Okay, I'm pumped for the next exercise. Hook combo number 1 focuses on 1-2s and right hooks. Throw each punch with proper form so your jabs, straights, and right hooks don't blend together. Okay, let's get to it. Let's get you moving comfortably. Get into your basic stance. Step back and angle your body to the right. Right hand by your chin, left hand in front of your face. Move forward and backward to the rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2, front, back, front, back. We'll move at this rhythm. All right, right hooks go. Ready? Hook. Not bad. Ready? Hook. Keep your fist and elbow in line with your shoulder. Hook. Swing your right hand wide when you punch. Now, let's do jab. Ready? Jab. Perfect. Ready? Jab. Keep your left hand straight. Ready? Jab. That's right. Punch straight and snap back. Next, adding straight. Ready? 1, 2. Now, jab. Hook. Ready? Jab. Hook. Let's keep going. Ready? Jab. Straight. Don't just use your upper body. Yes, jab. Hook. We'll go quickly now. Ready? 1, 2. Jab. Hook. In time. Keep in rhythm. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, jab. Straight. Jab. Hook. Put some power into your last punch. To the rhythm. 4 more. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Jab. Hook. Nice punch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Don't forget to breathe. Ready? Hook, 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 hook. Switch. Just move at your own pace. Do it in rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. You're halfway done. Time to pick it up. All right, left hooks go. Ready? Hook. Perfect. Ready? Hook. Keep your fist and elbow in line with your shoulder. Hook. Swing your left hand wide when you punch. Now, let's do jabs. Ready? Jab. Just like that. Ready? Jab. Keep your right hand straight. Ready? Jab. That's right. Punch straight and snap back. Next, adding straight. Ready? 1, 2. Now, jab. Hook. Ready? Jab. Hook. Let's keep going. Ready? Jab. Straight. Don't just use your upper body. Yes, jab. Hook. We'll go quickly now. Ready? 1, 2. Jab. Hook. In time. Keep in rhythm. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, jab. Straight. Jab. Hook. Put some power into your last punch. To the rhythm. 4 more. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Jab. Hook. Nice punch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Don't forget to breathe. Ready? good! Good job! You ruled at that one exercise. It was picture perfect. I want to see your score. Those looked fantastic. Good job. Okay, cool down time. Finally, relax your muscles while you control your breathing. Move slowly and broadly to reduce fatigue. Stretch carefully to keep yourself from overdoing it. Let's get started. First, gently rotate your shoulders in big circles. Forward. Now move onto your back and shoulder blades. Now backward. Repeat. Forward. Backward. All right, that's good. Put your right hand in front and raise your arms. Stretch your whole body. Move slowly, left and right. Keep your shoulder blades back while you're moving. All right, that's good. Put your left hand in front and raise your arms. Stretch your whole body. Move slowly, left and right. Keep your shoulder blades back while you're moving. All right, that's good. Raise your arms to shoulder level. Round your back and stretch your arms forward. Broaden your chest while you pull your arms back. To the back. To the front. Repeat. All right, that's good. Step back with your left foot. Now lean forward at an angle. Plant your feet and form a straight line from head to heel. Now stretch your left calf. Now switch feet. Step back with your right foot. Now lean forward at an angle. Plant your feet and form a straight line from head to heel. Now stretch your right calf. Now let's warm up your wrists and ankles. Were you able to relax a little? Mop up that sweat, but don't let your body cool down too much. The time has come to see your total score. Amazing! These are some killer results. You work hard and it shows. I love it. Let's check out your results for this session. Punch to place today's stamp. And that's the daily workout. You really put it all out there. Good job!
Fitness Boxing 2.